of Records congratulates you on your outstanding achievement. Now it's time to share your picture with the Achievers Kit. However, go through the below points before sharing the pictures. First, use a good camera for high-quality photos. Next, choose a plain light-colored background. Third, ensure the photos are clear, sharp, and unedited. Certificates should be readable when zoomed in. Fourth, record holder's head, hands, the India Book of Records book, and the certificate should be within the picture frame. Next, keep the IBR book in a vertical position. Last, avoid wide-angle shots like items on a table or the record holder standing to one side. Hope you like the video and understand our requirements.